Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. Once again, I'm reacting to Roosevelt's reviews in this video. Mini Gumball machine in 2025. This is the new one that he uploaded yesterday, and I'm going to react to it right now. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize, and I will take care of them. Now let's get to this video.
Yes, sir, baby. What's pop, YouTube? It's your boy Roosevelt, and I'm back with another video. Today, guys, we're going to review, you know what I'm saying? Drum roll, please. They want to review Little Gumball.
Wow.
Alright.
Cool.
It already broke, so it's already broken. First one, I'm trying with the green.
Okay. Okay. Now this one tastes like a little bit of green apple. Wow.
Okay. Alright, this next one we got the white one. Okay, this one kind of tastes like probably like double bubble.
Double bubble. Oh my!
Or
wow.
too much double, but yeah, overall it's a regular gumball taste. No cap. Alright, last one we got the red one. Let's get it.
Wow.
Now this one you got the little bit of cherry, but regular gumball taste still. But y'all kind of taste the same, but with just a little bit of flavor.
Okay.
That's it.
That's cool.
I'm gonna give this one a 8. Yeah, 10 for
wow.
sure. I mean, hey, who doesn't like gumballs?
Right.
Freestyle time, see, look, what rhymes with gumball? I don't even know, but rum, like you need to run, cause I'm coming for you, hey.
Right.
I'm coming for you like I'm Ghostface, hey.
Oh
From Scream, hey. Ball, like you on a roll ball, like, hey. Like, let me call you like this, like, hello.
Wow. Wow.
Like I'm skipping the hallways, like I'm skipping class.
Yeah, no mind.
Hey, like I'm in the school hallway trying to skip school, trying to skip ball, like I'm on a ball, like hey, I just had a ball, I had a blast, ball, call, dog,
Right. Oh my, wow.
scrawl, draw, alright, I'm done. Finally! So, that's my review about this little gumball machine.
Okay.
It tastes like it's regular gumballs.
Okay.
I'll be honest, it's regular gumballs, but with just a little bit of flavor, that's
Okay.
it. Not too much flavor to it. It's 12:39 a.m. I gotta go to sleep and edit this.
Okay.
So, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all punch that like button in the face, subscribe and notify. And until next time, our squad, yes sir, we out.
Nice.
Yes sir.
Awesome video. I give it a thumbs up. And let me take care of this notification. I'll be right back, everybody. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that, everybody. And I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my channel or to Roosevelt's Reviews channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Give both our videos a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to let you guys know we both post. And share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. And on my channel, we are on the road to 10,000 subscribers. And please help me bring my views and watch hours up on my channel by taking a look at my other videos that are on the 3 playlists that are on my channel. And give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. I would really appreciate it. And please help me bring my subscriber count up on my channel as well. Also, please, everybody, I would really definitely appreciate that too. And please help me accomplish my goal to get 10,000 subscribers or more on my channel as well. Also, please, everybody, I would really appreciate it. And the link to Roosevelt's Reviews original video will be down in the description down below. I just thought I'd let everybody know about that. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya!